Hey guys, welcome back. So today I just want to do a quick unboxing and demo of this Beetles gel polish set that I just got. This is the Devil set. Let me quickly get it out of this packaging here. So I was looking for a black gel polish. I for some reason thought I had one and didn't realize it, and kind of getting ready to get into the spookier months. Halloween happens to be my favorite holiday, so October is, I'm living for it all October. So this is just your usual application guide that we've received before with other gel polish kits, especially one from Beetles. And this is how this one comes here. This is the first time I've seen this tray. Ooh, these bottles are new. They're different compared to the bottles I got last time. But these are all the colors here. You have a flat cream white, you have a speckled white, you have a sparkly red, a true black, and then a sparkly gray black. So let me take these out. These are the bottles. It says they have, what, 7.5 milliliters in them. Take them all out. Put that away to the side. Alright, let's line them all up. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I don't really think the having to be in number order matters, but there you go. Alright, let me get myself situated, and then I'm going to do some swatches of all the colors for you. Okay, so none of the colors have names on them. They are all just numbers. So here is B021. I just prepped my nails by putting a base coat on them. This did not come with a base coat, so I just used my Model 1's base coat. This is what it looks like if you're curious, but otherwise, my nails are prepped and ready to go. Actually, I think I want to start off going from darkest to lightest. Yeah, I think I'll do that instead. All right, so I'm sorry, we're starting instead with B026, and this is that kind of charcoal sparkly black. Okay, so here are the first 5 before I have cured them. And now let's go in for a quick 30-second cure. Okay, so that's after the first cure of 30 seconds. Tacky layer there as expected, but here is what they're looking like. And now we're going in for the second layer. Alright, so after the second coat is done on each, and we're going in for another 30-second cure. Alright, so that is after the second coat on a 30-second cure. I am really pleased with how these look. On the first coat, they all saturated pretty well. I mean, really well. And obviously on the second coat, it did an immaculate job. The black and white speckled one, this is essentially more just like putting the confetti where you want it instead of so much as an actual polish. I thought it would kind of be a little cream, but this is my own thoughts on it, not what they said in the advertisement, but I just thought it would kind of be like a milky white with the speckles in it, but it's just a straight up clear with the speckles in it, which is fine. It makes me think of 101 Dalmatians. There's nothing wrong with it. I got so much more payoff with this sparkle red than I was expecting. The black, that's beautiful. I'm loving it. No freaking complaints about that one. That charcoal gray, that looks really pretty. It's not so much sparkly as it is just kind of I don't want to say dusty, that sounds weird, but it just has more of a sheen to it, I guess. Not so much like straight up sparkles, but it's still a really nice color as well. And I realized that I just went through all these and then completely forgot to do a white swatch. Okay, so I stopped being lazy and I got that white on my thumb. And I don't know how well the camera's going to do with picking it up, but it is not just a flat white. It's like, I hesitate to say pearlescent, because pearlescent tends to have like more purpley bluish tones to it, where this doesn't, but there is a shimmery kind of like frosted look to it. It makes it a much nicer white than just a flat white, so I like that a lot. Also, you might notice the matte tip here. So what I did was I showed you what they all look like glossy, and then I just did a slanted tip in matte so you guys can see what they look like with a matte top coat. So again, all these nails are with 2 coats of the polish on them, and then just the tips done in a matte so that you can see. So like I said, I did get these because I wanted polishes that I could use to do more Halloween inspired stuff for the month of October, but obviously they can definitely be used whenever, wherever, however, but I love all of them. I don't have a single complaint. The only note that I would make, and it could just have been my application, is that the white, this is after 2 coats. I feel like I would have put a 3rd coat to kind of give myself an opaque all over color instead of some of, you know, the sheerness in some spots. But again, that could just be due to my application, not the polish itself. Otherwise, I don't have any complaints. I very recently discovered Beetles brand, and I've been loving everything I got so far. So yeah, that's the end of I was about to show you that hand. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish this off camera, but you all have a great rest of the weekend wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.